What's up guys, Joey here, Tech, and if you've ever booked a ride, had something delivered, or ordered food online through Grab, then you've most definitely already heard of GrabPay. But what is it? GrabPay is a digital wallet created by Grab that's used as a cashless payment method for the services that Grab offers. Grab Car, Grab Food, Grab Mart, Grab Express, and more. And by more, I don't just mean Grab's other services. I mean, GrabPay can also be used for other things. More on that later. Well, how is GrabPay used and how do you use it? Well, starting with Grab's own services, you can simply choose GrabPay as your method of payment. Easy. You don't even need to leave the house with this wallet on hand. With GrabPay, you can pay your bills directly through the Grab app, buy mobile load or data instantly, send money to other GrabPay wallet users, and even pay online and in-store where GrabPay is accepted. Examples include Shop SM, Beauty Manila, and Zalora. If you're going out for errands, you can also use GrabPay to pay for safer cashless payments at SM Markets, Watson's, Starbucks, and so much more. All you need to do is tell the cashier you're paying with GrabPay, scan your QR, and you're good to go. And the existence of something like GrabPay is so important, especially for a time like right now. You might have been religiously using cash as your mode of payment when using Grab, but now, in the new normal, cashless is definitely the way to go. It's not just more convenient, it's also much safer. But if you still think that cash is easier to use than cashless, then I'll show you guys just how easy it is to set up GrabPay. Everything starts by activating your GrabPay wallet. This is done in the Grab app itself. All you need to do is tap the payment icon at the bottom of the Grab home screen, then tap Activate your GrabPay wallet. Then enter your name, nationality, birthday, valid ID number, and address. This is their way to make sure your transactions are safe and secure as the wallet is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. That's it. No need to go to the bank, no long forms, and you can be done in under 5 minutes. Easy. Now that your wallet is active, you gotta cash in. Again, tap the payment icon, then select your preferred cash-in option. There's a ton of ways to do this, but perhaps the easiest and most recommended way is to transfer funds from your bank or e-wallet, both of which work through InstaPay. And if you have a BPI account, you can link it straight to your GrabPay wallet securely to instantly cash in. This feature is also going to be available for BDO soon, by the way. And that's all there is to it. Activate your wallet, cash in, add some funds, and you're in business. You're now ready to use GrabPay as a payment option for Grab Car, Grab Express, Grab Food, Grab Mart. You can pay your bills through Grab. You can buy mobile load and data. And you can even pay in-store or online for merchants that accept GrabPay. That's a lot of everyday tasks that GrabPay can handle. One last thing to cover. Notice how you have points in the Grab app? Well, GrabPay is the only payment option that allows you to earn Grab Rewards points for your transactions. Apart from the extensive discounts and vouchers you can redeem from the Grab Rewards catalog, Grab Rewards points are now as good as cash. You can now save using your points every time you do a GrabPay transaction for Grab services, in stores, and online. Just head over to an online or in-store merchant that accepts GrabPay and use your points upon checkout with GrabPay to get your discount. So if you're paying anyway, make it rewarding and pay with GrabPay. Check out grb.to/GrabPayEverything to learn more. And that's about all we have to cover for this video. I hope you guys learned a lot about GrabPay, and we encourage you to start using GrabPay if you find yourself using Grab services more often in this new normal. I'm sure I have, and going cashless with GrabPay has made the whole process more seamless and of course, safer. Alright, so if you guys like this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.